Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP US History. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the multiple choice, short answer, document-based, and long essay questions. Next, create a comprehensive study schedule that covers all 9 historical periods. Finally, dedicate significant time to practicing essay writing, focusing on clear arguments and evidence. This structured approach will help you feel confident and prepared. To truly master the content, break down the vast amount of information into smaller, digestible units. Allocate specific days or weeks to each historical period, ensuring you cover all major events and figures. Don't rely on just one source. Integrate your textbook with online lectures, documentaries, and review books. Focus on understanding the why behind events, not just the what, to build a deeper comprehension. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Regularly work through multiple-choice questions to improve your pacing and content recall. For the essay sections, practice writing timed document-based questions and long essays. This helps you develop a strong thesis, use evidence effectively, and manage your time under pressure. Also, hone your ability to analyze historical sources, understanding their context and point of view. On exam day, prioritize your well-being. Get a full 8 hours of sleep the night before and eat a nutritious breakfast. During the exam, manage your time carefully. Don't spend too long on any single question. Read all instructions thoroughly and pace yourself. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals, so you can keep learning and exploring history wherever you go. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.